quick short video, how to make a screen cleaning solution. This screen cleaning solution can be used on virtually all LCDs. That includes laptop, tablet, mobile phone, television, things like that. And technically speaking, all it is just a 70% IPA. Now I don't have a 70% IPA, I only have 100% IPA, so how can I sort of turn that into 70%? Now this glass is virtually 250ml, so is this tub, 250ml. This is an empty tub. I've got a little funnel so that I can pour the mixture into the tub itself, and then obviously the rest of the bits for the tub itself. Okay, so let's sort of crack on with it. Now basically you want to put 30% of deionized water or distilled water, and then 70% of 100% or 99.9% alcohol, and effectively that'll just thin down the level of contents, and eventually it'll turn into 70% IPA, which is perfect for cleaning screens. And I'll try and demonstrate something to you, because what tends to happen is when you try to use 100% alcohol for cleaning screens, it tends to leave smear on the screen itself. So that's one of the reasons why I tend to use 70%. So let's sort of crack on with this. Okay, you can see this. Let's put it in view. Okay. Right, I would imagine that, yeah, I'd literally just put that much. If you want to do it precisely, then you need these measuring tubs and all that, which I don't have as of this moment in time, so I can't do that now. Okay, so let's pour the water in. Okay. Right, okay. Okay, so the mixture is done now. Pretty sorry, I was trying to sort of pay attention to who's ringing, but it's not my issue that. So okay, so let's get back to the initial process. So all I'm going to do now is just pour the solution in. I may have a lot of drip, so which is why I put the tissue in place, but I'll try my very best not to have any drip. It's not going to happen, it's dripping. Okay, yes, I have spilt, but who cares? Let's get some tissues and clean that off. I'll do that after, no probs. Okay, and it's done. Easy, simple, straightforward, like that. Okay, what I tend to do is just give it a good shake. Get these tubs put away. Let's get a laptop screen. That one filthy, probably this one will be filthy. Funnels can go. Okay, now let's try the cleaning process. See if I can get it in view for you guys and put a bit more light. Okay, so let's see if I can demonstrate with 100% alcohol. So I've got a tub here with 100% IPA, which I've just sort of got thingy. Let me see if I can zoom in and show you a little bit closer. Just pity that it might be awkward to demonstrate, so I'm going to sort of wipe it with 100%. Okay, and just let it dry. Phones are bothering me today. Sorry, the phones have been bothering me. Okay, so as you can see here, just about Let me see if I can get a nice angle for you guys to see what I'm about. Look at that smear on the screen. You can just about see the smear that's been left over by the 100% IPA. So what we're going to do is I'm going to use this solution what I've just created. Okay, and give it a nice squirt. Okay, get some tissues. Just nice and gently buff it off. And the same. Okay, and look what happens now. There's absolutely no smear on the screen. I don't know if you can see it for yourself. And this solution can also be applied on surfaces. So I don't know if you can see this. It's filthy with fingerprints and dirt and whatever it is. Ugh. So let's sort of okay. Let's give it a good buff. It works like magic. With 5 litre of IPA, just imagine how many bottles you can make. I was initially going to get 70% IPA, but I thought why not sort of do this, something which is pretty straightforward and simple to do. So there's a lot of deep staining. God knows what this guy had been doing with his laptop. But yeah, as you can see, nice and smear-free finish. And I'd probably just demonstrate a final bit here where you can see a lot of fingerprints and, you know, whatever dirt, whatever you'd like to call it. Let's give it a quick squirt. Oops, I don't want to drop this bottle. And it tends to clear off very nice and smoothly without any sort of issues. So there we go, I'll show it to you now. Right, so that's it. Just a very short, simple video. Most of you probably already know about this, but I just thought I'll do something for the fun of it. So yeah, that's all. Thank you very much for watching, and hope you sort of you've learned something. Thank you. Bye for now.